Hi. If you can't communicate the design intent to a client or a member of your team, then you're not an effective engineer. This segment considers how to make an effective team presentation and a compelling technical poster that explains to your intended audience the technology development intent, how the proposed design will meet the important technical, functional, and economic criteria, the key uncertainties in design performance, and the most important possible failure modes, how your design can be built according to design drawing standards, and how your engineering analysis provides evidence that your design delivers performance and durability at an acceptable cost to the client. To do this, your team has to communicate how your design meets the requirements. After introducing and summarizing what the requirements are and what analysis has to be done to support the design intent. You'll do this mostly by choosing what to leave out, because you won't have a lot of time to describe everything that you've done in the last couple of months. A few rules of thumb will help you to package a convincing report, poster, and presentation. Have a logical structure, support your design choices with evidence, check the accuracy of your results, avoid unsubstantiated statements, ensure that sections connect well, write clearly and concisely, use good grammar and style, and make the material and your team look professional through preparation and practice. To prepare, recognize that you have something to say. Prepare an outline, don't try to say too much, don't try to show too much, achieve good flow of your ideas, practice your talk, and have someone check your poster and your report for clarity. The full lecture will offer quite a few specific tips on how to package your presentation and poster. Details about the design presentations, poster, final report, and drawing package are also on eClass. Being able to give a compelling technical presentation is part of a successful engineering career. I look forward to seeing all of yours.